Namaste, Hari Om Tat Sat. The word yoga has become synonymous with asana. And the time has come to disseminate the science of prana, the vital life force, and pranayama, the practice of awakening the prana, the vital force, of gathering the prana and spreading, distributing the prana within the body and externally. I congratulate and thank Pritha and Hardik at Sayujya Yoga, Yoga at Home with them, for having conceived this project of online Pranayama, Mudra and Bandha. This workshop will entail an understanding of the philosophy of prana, nadis, chakras, the respiratory physiology to be able to use the vehicle of the prana, the breath, and the practice itself to establish oneself in the practice in a balanced and harmonious way, so that the mind and body react in a balanced way. They are harmonious and balanced. And how to progress on this path, on this journey, the sequences of the practice. It will be an in-depth study over a period of 14 sessions of 1.5 hours each. I hope you all take the opportunity to participate in these sessions. Hari Om Tat Sat.